Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be taking a look at my Icon diagonal side cutters. So I have probably, I don't know, 7 or 8 pairs of diagonal side cutters, and I have way more pliers than I will ever need, but I just can't help myself, okay? And I'm okay with that. But over the years, I've been using a few pairs in my work truck. Back when I worked for a company previously, I carried my Knipex, which absolutely love. These will probably last me a lifetime. Most of my tools will. And then when I started my own business, working out of my truck, I started carrying these, the gear wrench, what are they called? The pit bull. I have a full set of pit bull pliers, whatever they're called. And surprisingly, I wasn't too sure how these would hold up. Honestly, they held up just fine. Now granted, I do lighter work with diagonal side cutters, nothing too extreme or anything like that. But these are the 2 pair that I used in the past. This one from probably about 2020 to 2022, 2023. This one from then to 2025. And then over the last, I would say 8 months or so, I've been using the Icon 7-inch diagonal side cutters. And I use this, some wiring, some wires, but a lot of plastics and things like that. Nothing extremely thick or difficult. So these should do just fine, but I've been carrying them, between half a year and a year to see how they hold up in my work truck. So we're gonna go over some of the information on them, and then I'll share my thoughts with you guys and show you how they've held up so far. But these are the 7-inch diagonal side cutters. They are induction hardened cutting edges. You can use these for hard wire, soft wire, spring steel, plastics, cable ties, things like that. Now these are diagonal side cutters, not flush cuts. So if you use these for zip ties, you are going to have that small amount left over that is going to tear you up if you reach past the end of the zip tie. So I do have the Icon flush cuts as well, which are phenomenal. But these diagonal side cutters still, for what I use them at work, I'm gonna get a lot more use out of these than I would the flush cuts for what I do. But they've held up really, really well. They are forged high carbon steel. They have a 5/8 inch jaw capacity. They do have a natural clear coat on them to prevent corrosion and things like that. But obviously, just like a lot of other brands, they also use it. Over time, it's just going to wear past that. When you're using the tool, you start scratching that clear coat, and then over time the clear coat just kind of wears out, and humidity and moisture setting in, and then depending on where you're at, it can be pretty severe. These live in the back of the bed of my truck all the time, and they sit in a Milwaukee box on the side open, and that toolbox sits outside sometimes. It gets a little bit of rain on it, snow. I work outside all year long, so it's seeing plenty of weather. And honestly, for 8 months of all sorts of weather and use, they've held up really well. You can still see here, it's got a little bit of surface rust, and this is nothing that won't clean off. This will clean up and look basically new again if I wanted to. But honestly, it's nowhere near bad enough to affect its use or anything like that. But honestly, you could clean this up really easily. And I'm surprised because I know a lot of people, when these first came out, had mentioned that they rust extremely easily. I've had tons of pliers that do rust extremely easily. These have held up pretty dang well so far. There are certain parts of the country where it is much worse than where I am, and it can get, I am kind of, in the rust belt, but there are still places worse than where I'm at, and tools can really take a beating when it comes to that type of weather. But honestly, I'm impressed with them. The handles are comfortable. They're nice and thick, but not overly thick like big comfort grips. They kind of fall in between your standard dipped handles and a comfort grip. But I also like the grit style, just like my snap-on pliers. I like that grit style dipped handle. These do carry a lifetime warranty, so that is also nice. These originally, I believe, come in at $22, and you can get them like right now as I'm recording it. These are down to $18, but all throughout the year you can use coupons, specific coupons, or your 20% coupons to get these for even cheaper. But I mean, even at $22, I think these are well worth it. So for 8 months of use, the edges have held up really well, especially for outside use. It has minor surface rust, but overall they're in really good shape, and I'm really happy with them. So that's just my personal thoughts on them, kind of a quick update for you guys. But if you guys have any experiences with these Icon diagonal side cutters, whether it be good or bad, please let us know down in the comments. But if you guys enjoyed this update, please make sure to smash that thumbs up, and if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.